Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain the competitor campaign monitoring workflow using Huel as our primary example. This is the perfect tool for keeping a close eye on your opposition. It all starts by inputting the target campaign URLs. Our agent visits the page, automatically detects and closes any annoying pop-ups, and then gets to work extracting campaign items, current pricing, and all related promotional data. The Run tab shows exactly what the agent is doing. It's the best way to check your steps and make sure the data is right. After you verify everything here, we can go ahead and start the n8n part. I've added notes to each section of the n8n workflow to keep things clear. The process kicks off by pulling our target URLs from the database. Since we're looking for changes over time, having that historical data is key. Each link is sent to the BrowserAct node for scraping, and the raw data is passed to an AI agent along with the old history we retrieved for that same page. The AI then compares the fresh data with the previous version to identify exactly what changed. Finally, we update our database with the new information and save the comparison report, repeating this for every page in our list. After the database update is complete, we pull all records from Google Sheets for final processing. By aggregating these rows into a stringified array, we allow a final AI agent to review the entire batch of competitor changes. The agent then synthesizes this data into a structured output optimized for Slack delivery. Here is the database structure. You'll need to maintain these exact column headers to ensure the comparison logic functions correctly. This clean data format not only facilitates easy change tracking, but also makes the sheet compatible with other automation scenarios. This is the final Slack output. Each monitored page generates a structured notification highlighting the key differences. In this example, the AI correctly identified that several free items were added to the campaign since our last scrape. This ensures you never miss a promotional update. Thank you for watching.